Hello my dear students. Welcome to K.K. Tutorial. Today we will study the parts of the circle. The region enclosed by a circle or the length of the boundary of the circle is called its circumference. The circumference of a circle is the measure of the total length of the circle, which is also known as its perimeter. The length of the line joining the center of the circle and any point on its circumference is called the radius of the circle. It is generally represented by the letter R. The line joining any two points on the circle passing through its center is called the diameter of the circle, and the diameter of a circle is 2 times its radius. The portion of a circumference of the boundary of the circle is called its arc. Any line that touches the 2 points on the circle is called the chord of the circle. The region of the circle enclosed by an arc and the chord is called the segment of the circle. Tangent is the line that touches the circle at only one point on its boundary is called the tangent of the circle. Any point on the circumference of the circle has only one tangent. Thank you for watching my dear students. If you found these content helpful or informative, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video.